Most of you would have heard about equity and debt for investment, but there is also another category called hybrid funds. What is the purpose of hybrid funds? Types of hybrid funds and how are they different? To gain more insights on this, we have our financial expert Mr. Satish Prabhu with us. Satish, the stage is all yours.
Like the balanced advantage fund, there are other funds that can help you do your asset allocation. And these are some of the funds that are classified in the hybrid category. So from left to right, if you look at the funds, they provide you lesser equity. And as you go on the right, they will provide you higher equity allocation. And balanced advantage fund is somewhere in the middle. An aggressive hybrid will have somewhere around 80% of equity, and a conservative hybrid will have somewhere around 20% of equity.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.